How to create landing page in Flodesk. In this video, I'll show you how to create landing page in Flodesk. So to get started, go ahead and open Flodesk, sign into your account, and head over into the Forms tab. So once you're on the Forms tab, you need to go ahead and proceed with creating a new form. So click on Forms. You'll find it in between the workflows and emails. And then in here, you'll be able to find this Add New Form button at the top right. So click on that, and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and use this available templates for your form. And then since what we want to do is to create a landing page for our website, we need to select the best fitted template for that. And here you can also select a template quite close to that in here. So once you have selected it, simply click on customize it to proceed on customizing this to tailor fit the design to your preferred design. And that is how you can basically create landing page in Flodesk. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.